All right, when dealing with a neck injury, especially if it's more lateral and there's kind of just this like stickiness or pain higher up. Now, normally we get a lot of like trap and like shoulder and arm pain. That's usually lower cervical, so we'll often just work into, or we can get a lot of benefit from going straight into the sagittal plane, retraction, extension. But if we've either plateaued there or we need to try something different or it's stuck on the side, right? It hurts to turn, hurts to tilt. I like to use a little bit of what's called a snag. So that's well, it can be a nag or a snag. So sustained natural pelvis field glide or just a natural pelvis field glide. I use a little bit of a towel to self-do it. So you want to place that edge of the towel across there. This might get my microphone here. So I'm going to use the one hand across right through there, and then I'm going to help like, well, let's go to the left since we use this side here. So right on the bottom, towel across that edge, up high. I'm going to slightly tuck in, not a big one, but a slight tuck in, and then I'm going to rotate over. I'm going to pull that over to get those extra little pressure on that bottom of the neck. So here, rotate, and that's rotation into it, right? You could also side bend into it. So now I'm going to pull more over the top. So again, I'm going to pin down here, slightly tuck in, and then over the side. Now that one I really feel, in the neck. That's a very good, like, it can be, so if we go in and out, that's more the natural pelvis field glide. The snag or the sustained is we want to keep it, we want to take it there and then keep it there, and maybe like pressure on, pressure off, pressure on, pressure off. And I'm kind of pulling, see this angle right here? Because the facets run right through the angle. So down and through up, right through there, okay? So you can definitely try those two for that lateral pain, a rotation towards and a side bending towards.